Alright, welcome back to Stoy Crypto. So it looks like DragonSwap just launched their DEX on Mainnet, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at it. Since we're thrilled to announce the Mainnet launch of DragonSwap, the native DEX on the Sei network V2. So this is the first native DEX on Sei V2. Let's go ahead and test it out. So if I go to DragonSwap app, it says connect wallet. So I'm going to first go ahead and log into my MetaMask. Alright, so you can see that I'm currently on Sei testnet, and I had been testing DragonSwap. I have a video on that if you want to check it out. I need to get Mainnet on here, so let's figure out how to do that. So what we need to do is connect wallet, and let's connect MetaMask. Next, connect. It's going to ask allow this site to add a network, so it's going to add the Sei Mainnet, which is what we want. So I'm going to go ahead and approve it, and I'm going to switch networks from Sei testnet that I'm currently on to Mainnet. So switch network. Now it says link your address to use apps on Sei EVM. To use apps on Sei EVM, your address needs to be linked. Please visit app.sei.io to link your address. This will enable your EVM address to receive native Sei tokens. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that. So it's going to take me to app.sei.io. I'm going to go ahead and agree. And then connect my wallet, MetaMask, click next, click connect. Now it's going to ask me to link your EVM Ethereum virtual machine address, OX address. So I'm going to check this CAPTCHA. Alright, I finally got CAPTCHA to work. Now I'm going to click on link addresses, and I'm going to assign this. Alright, it says association success. Your EVM and Sei addresses have been linked. Here's my EVM address. Here's my Sei address. I just did a video that kind of explains this as well with Compass, so check that out with the Compass wallet. Alright, so we've linked them. Let's go back to DragonSwap and let's take a look around. It's a pretty clean looking DEX, right? You can swap Sei for currently all of these Sei ecosystem tokens, Sei. Let's go to pools. These are the current liquidity pools. And again, this just launched a couple hours ago, so this is going to expand a lot. With the launch of Sei V2, might be something that you want to look at trying to be early into. And then let's click on tokens. Alright, this is going to show you the top tokens on DragonSwap. Let's go ahead and test this out. Alright, so I'm going to open up my MetaMask, and I want to send some Sei to this, and I want to receive tokens. Let's copy this, and then I'm going to go to one of my Compass wallets that has some Sei in it and try to send it here and see what happens. Okay, so this is one of my Compass wallets that has a little bit of Sei in it, and I'm going to send some to my MetaMask so we can test out DragonSwap. So I'm going to go ahead and click send, and in the recipient, paste it. Okay, so that's where we're going to send it. Let's just send 5 Sei and review transfer. We're sending 5 Sei to that address, which is my MetaMask, and let's go ahead and click send. Done. If you click that, it will open Sei Trace, where you can view the details of the transaction. Looks like we have success. Sei Trace is the same thing as like Etherscan or SolScan on other chains. It's the Explorer. So let's go back and see if it arrived in our MetaMask. So now I'm back here, and let's check our MetaMask. Nice. So the 5 Sei arrived in our MetaMask account, and so now we're ready to go. What I want to do is I'll make a swap, and I want to swap for some Sei. I have another video on this, on how to analyze and look at Sei ecosystem tokens, meme tokens. So if you just go to DEX Screener and go down to Sei right here, you can see all the ecosystem tokens. Sei is one of the top meme tokens for the Sei ecosystem. So I'm going to swap for this one, even though the chart doesn't look great right now. My theory is that if we do get liquidity into Sei, the ecosystem meme tokens, the top ones, have a chance to really take off. Not financial advice, that's just my theory. So let's go ahead and swap for some Sei. So we're going to swap for, again, this is just to test this out. Obviously I would do more. Alright, so 4 Sei for that much Sei. Looks like you can adjust your slippage right here. Since this is not very volatile right now, we'll leave it at 0.0 or at 0.5. But if a token you want to swap for is moving up and down quickly, you're going to have to increase your slippage typically. Alright, so again, we're going to swap. Let's take a look at this. So this is the fee, so it's very low, and network cost is very low as well. Another nice thing about Sei V2, it's fast and cheap. Alright, so we're going to swap 4 for that much, 4 Sei for that much Sei, 152. Let's go ahead and click swap. This pops up right here. So you can see the estimated fee is very low. We're swapping that much Sei, so let's go ahead and click confirm. Success. So that was really quick. Let's check our wallet. We'll probably have to add the Sei token to the wallet. So let's go to tokens and add Sei to wallet. It's adding token to wallet. Okay, we want to add the Sei token, add token. And there we go, our Sei tokens, 152 of them now show up in our MetaMask, and it's that simple. So yeah, really easy user experience with DragonSwap. This is very promising to have a native DEX on Sei V2, and I encourage you to check out DragonSwap on X and jump into their Discord. They also have a bunch of docs here that you can read through to learn more about DragonSwap and what they have planned for the future. Thanks for taking time to check out this video. If it was helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing. See you in the next one.